Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got some interesting stuff coming your way today, but first we're going to answer a few questions. Yes, we definitely will have more Humvee content coming. I know it's been a while. We're actually going to do something different with that truck. We're going to do a full build probably on it. And along with that, during the build, we'll be designing and developing some new product for that. Two, the second part of the Jeep video is definitely coming. I know it's been a while, but we've got to live with the lift and everything that we've done, a few things we've had to go back over, but we'll get to that in that video. But for today, we got something special that's in the shop, and we'll get to that in 1 minute. So today we have a special truck. It's a 2016 Ram 2500. We're doing a 10-inch airbag custom lift on this truck. It's already sitting up pretty high, but we're changing the front over from coils over to airbags. The back was already done, and we also are making a custom hitch step for this. We'll get you a few pictures of it, still working on it. Custom grill we've already done, we'll show you that in a second, and take it from there. So we'll bring in the owner of this truck. He's also got Instagram, TikTok. You can look him up at Max Steel Cummins. Chris Rivera.
How's it going, everybody? I'm excited to see how it turns out. Yeah.
All right, so we'll get working on this today. We're going to be tearing down the front and starting to build the bag mounts for the front. We'll take you along for the ride. We're going to show you a couple other things that we've already done, and let's get working on it. Okay, now we're back out after getting the design work done, and we're going to start cutting out our plates. Just got the plates off the table, dressed them up a little bit, beveled the edges on these so it matches the bevel on the rear, and got them all cleaned up. The lowers fit good. We're going to move on to the top, and then we can start. All right, so we've kind of skipped the forward a bit. We got the base, the lower airbag perch is pretty much complete. We'll pull it out here so you can take a look at it. But you know, we got the geometry correction. We moved the bag a little bit, so this piece is pretty much ready to go. We'll now move to the upper perch, and we'll get that cut up, welded together, and we'll show you that when we get done with it. All right, so we got the upper perch is all built, pretty much ready to go. Just some minor cleanup left on it. We'll slide this up here so you can take a look at it. And there you have it. Nice thing about this is we are not making any changes to the truck itself. We're not cutting anything apart. This is all can be bolted on and can all be pulled right back off, and the factory suspension bolted back up. So now that we have both plates done for the passenger side here, you know, driver's side's pretty easy, so we're going to move over to that. We're going to complete both of those plates. We'll come back in a minute. We're going to set the bag and give you guys a shot of the bag sitting in here as well. The bag is in. The upper and lower plate both attach. So the upper plate is bolted to the top mount here. The lower plate is actually held in by a tab on the bottom that connects to the sway bar link, just to keep the mounts from moving around for any reason. As you can see, the bag we have in line with the shock to keep the geometry the same. And now that this side's done, we're going to move over, start building the other side, and get everything prepped, powder coated, and we'll see you guys back here in a minute. Mounts for both sides are all done. Got them all out of powder coat. here's what they look like. Up next is we put them on the truck, getting it all finished up, and showing you guys what it all looks like. Truck is fully aired on its own weight. This is what it looks like. Looking pretty good. Can't wait to get the wheels on it, get it rolled out, see what the final product looks like. All right, so we're just wrapping this part of the build up. A lot of work went into it, but I think it came out pretty good. But more importantly, Chris, what do you think?
I mean, I'm happy. I mean, I don't think anybody could have done it better.
All right, so we have a lot of other things going on. I'd actually probably say this was probably the smallest project that we're doing on this truck. But for now, we're all done, and we'll catch you on the next one.